Yo, what's up, Mizu? Yo, yo, yo. What's good? What's good? Dude, holy shit. We pushed fucking 500 points yesterday. Yo, yo, what's up, food guys? I've been good, bro. I've been good. All right, we're probably gonna be bullish. We're holding this 5-minute right here as well. Got double equal highs, so market open is in like 10 seconds, so we might just rip off open to these highs. Be on the lookout for that. Or we dump, but I think we go higher. This would be nice if we still go higher. So I kind of like this drop because now we have all this low resistance, or sorry, high resistance liquidity right here. Ideally we sweep this. Ideally we sweep this and then do something like this, right? So see what happens. Or you know what? See. Honestly, we could just dump right here. I know we have double equal highs. Is there an SMT though? Actually, no, there is an SMT. So there is an SMT up here, I believe. Yeah, SMT. So this honestly could just send us lower right here. So this candle closure right here, we're gonna finish the job right here. Holy shit, my screen is a mess. So maybe still potentially longs. Now look at ES, bro. ES trying to rip and Q's trying to sell off. You just eating your chicken. Hey, that sounds like a good time to me, bro. Oh my god, my fucking camera. I think my camera only breaks every time I stream, bro. I don't know what it is. But yeah, we might just end up selling off. Like, get something like this. Go break even at these lows, but I don't like that. It's almost 4 p.m. Yeah, you're from, was it Germany? Or I don't know if it was Germany. The Netherlands, right? Or something? Who guys? Netherlands, that's right. I remember, bro. I remember. So what are you like? Actually, no, man. Okay, well, this is a bit of a weird spot, bro. Like, I don't like this at all. Look at ES pushing, NQ dumping. Oh no. I was just gonna ask you, like, you tall as shit or what? You like 190 centimeter or what? Like any of this, bro. I think the only way I go long is if we close back above over here. Wait, holy shit. Wait, you are? Damn. All is hell, boy. Alright, well, do we got any news today? So we didn't have it 10 a.m. Okay. 10 a.m. news. Let's see how Twitter is doing on fucking this shit. You guys are trading with Alpha Futures, bro. Use code Monk. You're 6'2". Nice, bro. Already slowing down, bro. This kind of sucks. Okay, now ES is starting to like get ready to sell off from what it looks like, so at least we have that. I think we do continue to sell off though, so there you go. Take that internal low. Or not yet, okay. There we go. Nah, I don't ever use the 30-second. Fuck that. Through the 30-second, bro. Okay, yeah, we're probably gonna be retracing back into this, like, the middle of this London range right here. I don't know we have enough to sell all the way back down over here, but I think we'll definitely be able to sell off a little bit more. I'm interested in this area though, for sure. Is if we open up a fair value gap and then okay, well, I just know camera, I guess. If we open up a fair value gap and then we'll see what happens in this area, right? So this is kind of my two conditions right now. Is if we close back above, potentially inversion up higher, and then retrace into here, get a confirmation candle short. That's gonna be a continuation short probably, because now we still have liquidity, like decent amount of liquidity, right? And we might want to push towards these Asia highs again, so we'll see. But it has to open up, right? Like you don't want it to like start pushing right now or nothing. I think the ideal scenario is we sell off though, because now ES has like these lows, right? So now ES has these lows, so maybe we sell off and take it on ES. See what happens, bro. Like the only fair value up I see at the moment is this one right here. This is the only one that we probably could use. I want us to retrace into it, see what happens. Okay, so now there's like a tap at least. Now we gotta close, see what happens. It's just ES is not clean, bro. Like I wish it would cooperate more, because now I can't read ES. Now ES looks like it wants to push all the way back up, and then NQ kind of like was a little bit bearish for a little bit. Now it's starting to push, but you know, we close back above. This could be a nice quick opportunity long. We continue pushing like this, right? Go break even at this internal high, but I don't like it too much yet. It could work, but probably wait for like a more of a flip, like higher. So I want this next candle, like ideally we don't enter on this candle. We'll wait for it to flip back above this candle and make maybe an order block and then enter long. If we do go enter long. But look at ES now. So ES is just pushing all the way back up. Oh boy. Not in yet. I said probably need to close back above this order block right here. Okay, we'll give it a try, I guess. All right, so break even would be at this internal right here. Just be careful, because now ES took this like ultimate high up here. Like now we're just re-breaking these highs. All right, so go break even. Honestly, just go break even. Wait, hold on. Yeah, I guess you could go break even. Honestly, you could hold. I think it's fine. That's a kind of a nasty wick right here though. I think maybe we have potential to go higher right now though. Because now, okay, yeah, honestly, ES looks bullish, but NQ on the higher time frame looks like it's already done. If you look at on the 4 hour, like we didn't fill in the gap yet over here, the volume imbalance, right? So I think ES could still push. So maybe it drags NQ along with it. Who knows? All right, well, I gotta stop break even. But if you guys are still in this, is still pretty good. I might re-enter though. Yeah, I'll just re-enter, bro. Okay. Like I said, go break even. Okay, honestly, yeah, go break even once you hit this internal high. Because like I said, ES still has a ways to go till this volume imbalance fill. Which is nice. Just a little wiki right now. But your stop should be like down here. At like 650-ish area. Maybe like 655. I think that'll be a nice stop. Size correctly if you need. This is what my trade looks like right now. Okay, well, we're going straight to stop loss, bro. Five is my stop. I said just be careful because now ES already took this high. It's been taking these highs, but I like how we're still making higher highs. So we could potentially go run higher, but ES is kind of bearish right now, so I don't know. Probably gonna get stopped. Okay. I got stopped out on that. That kind of sucks. Maybe I should have just stayed out of that, but it looked good. I think I should have just legit followed my rule where go break even. Obviously, I did go break even on the first one, but maybe I should just stay out of that second trade. I did size down on that second one because I didn't like it too much. Because now look at all these wicks, which kind of blows, but it still kind of sucks, bro. Yo, what up, trade breaker? But now we're okay, bro. ES, I don't know what ES is doing, bro. So now ES is starting to inverse this to the downside, and I still like shorts, right? Because now we have all these inversions to the downside. Oh fuck, I missed that shit. But like I said, we inverse this right here, and now we have all this high resistance liquidity. We have all this liquidity to the downside, right? I don't know why we were pushing up here. I mean, like I said, I like that like volume imbalance fill, but we just never fucking continue higher. We start chopping, right? And I'm not gonna lie, I did manage to get in on this right here, right when we closed right here, because I took it on NQ because ES I need to go break even, but what do you call it, bro? The fucking break even trades are ridiculous, bro. I think I'm like 7 for 7 on break even trades every day, bro. I think my first trade every single day is a break even trade, and then I go break even again. Maybe I should just take the fucking money. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Market recently has just been so fucking bad for me, bro. It's just straight chop, bro. Or not chop, but I get taken out like break even immediately. Obviously, it's my fault for going break even immediately, but that's just part of my rules. Once we take like an internal, like I have to go break even. I'm not trying to risk it because once like recently markets, bro, you take an internal and then you get some sort of reaction the other way. So I'm just trying to protect myself, but that still kind of sucks, bro. What the fuck am I listening to? This is not calm at all. What is this? But yeah. If you guys are trading with Alpha Futures, use my code. Appreciate it. Code Monk. I think they're 10% off right now. I think that's just the standard. Hopefully they have like a 40% sale off soon too. That would be nice. But I've been liking Alpha Futures, bro. They're a saw ass firm. Anyone trade with them actually? Going off here, my stop loss got hit. Was a good long. Don't like the PA if I'm honest. Yeah. Hey, GG's food guys. Hey, you follow your rules. Good shit, bro. Yeah, this PA is just so bad. How many points did we move actually? We didn't even move that much. This is like 930 right here. Okay. We moved 100 points, but it was like the worst 100 points I've ever seen, bro. I'll see you later, food guys. I still think we're short. So give it another stab, but the reason I think that is look at ES, bro. I mean, I probably could enter off of ES, but I just don't like entering off ES, bro. I think we just target all this liquidity right here. So I did re-enter, but shit. Watch, bro. I already went break even, so if this if this gets stopped break even again, bro, I think I'm done. I was up 35 points ish. Okay, there we go. Nice. There we go. Finally. Okay, I'm gonna scale. I'm gonna get out all there actually. I'm all out. So yeah, I'm all out right there. Just because ES finally took all this liquidity, right? We took everything over here already, so I'm not too interested in anything else now. We could go for like even lower, but I do not care. We took that internal. I'm happy. Took that dub finally. Yeah. And now, cause now we're about to enter like these 15 minutes, and like 1 hour fair value apps, right? So this could potentially send us higher. Not interested. If we start closing below maybe 550, 25,550, then I would probably be able to see this this low get taken, right? Maybe potentially this fair value app. So far bearish open, super bearish open. I like that long at the beginning, but it just never got any follow through, so unfortunate, whatever. There was an SMT up here, which kind of made sense for the sell-off, but right here I wanted a quick internal play before we did anything. Never took that internal, unfortunately. Got stopped out. One break even, one stopped, whatever. But yeah, let's see. That's a GG. That's a GG, guys. That is it for today. Quick stream again, obviously, but just got the dub, I guess. Finally made up for all our losses, and I will be back tomorrow. I think I'll probably come out with another video today as well, and then I think over the weekend I'll work on my strategy video for you guys, like a new updated strategy video. So be on the lookout for that. I will see you guys tomorrow. Damn, we're just selling off, bro. So I don't know if you guys got in on this, but yeah. So one break even, one loss, and one win today. But the win was a pretty nice winner. So I think it was 50 points. Yeah, it was like 50 points I got. So nice 50-point win play. My stop was half size. I think 30-ish points, maybe 20 points. So it's fine. All right, see you later, Trade Breaker. See you later, Mizu. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Like I said, another video will come out today as well, probably. So we'll see. All right, peace, guys.